It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. Iloilo Representative Karen Lori Mendoza brought home the Ilongga Pride in the Binibining Pilipinas held Sunday night. Mendoza made it to the top 13 among 34 candidates. Masbate Representative Hannah Arnold was eventually crowned as Binibining Pilipinas International, while Cavite's Samantha Alexandra Panlilio was crowned Binibining Pilipinas Grand International. Cagayan de Oro Cinderella Feo Benita earned the title of Binibining Pilipinas Intercontinental, and Batangas Representative Maureen Montagne as Binibining Pilipinas Globe. The event was hosted by Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray and Miss Grand International 2016 first runner-up Nicole Cordobes, and held at the Araneta Coliseum in Quezon City. Returning Bacolod City residents are no longer required to present negative RT-PCR test results provided they completed the 2 COVID vaccine doses. Emergency Operations Center Executive Director and City Administrator M. Ang also said only Bacolodnons who have secured vaccination cards from the city are exempted from the test. Persons coming from other areas and those who obtained their vaccination card anywhere other than Bacolod City will still have to present a negative RT-PCR test result. The National Interagency Task Force earlier announced that individuals traveling within the country need not present an RT-PCR test result as long as they are fully vaccinated. Travelers, however, still have to undergo health and exposure screening when they arrive at a local government unit of destination. The Capiz Provincial Health Office said they are ready to help those in need of mental and psychosocial support. This is in line with their campaign against mental health problems like depression. Capiz PHO Mental Health Coordinator Jasmine Galyaza said their line is open 24 hours to anyone willing to talk. Galyaza also noted the importance of support from family and friends, and that having someone to talk and listen to can save one's life. Based on data from the Capiz Police Provincial Office, 19 suicide cases were recorded from January to May this year. 2 cases were from the age group 17 to 30, 8 were from 31 to 45 years old, and 9 were 45 years old and above. And those are tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Lusaria Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Join Panay News community on Viber. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.